using the paint bucket tool with TwistedBrush Pro Studio. First, I'm going to select the paint bucket tool. I'm going to create a new layer and hide the background layer and now work on a layer above it. I'm just going to create an image here which will make it easier to see the effects of the paint bucket tool. Using a Lua filter, the hue wheel, which will give a nice range of colors so we can see the effect of the paint bucket. Apply and exit. Actually going to split this into 4 parts so we can also see some other parts of the paint bucket tool. The default option for the paint bucket tool is paint connected in adjust mode. What that means is you're going to, as you use the tool, it will be changing the color from where you've clicked to adjacent colors which are similar based on the tolerance. It'll be easier to see once I show you. I'm going to select blue and going to right click and drag. I'm dragging my mouse to the right. You can see I'm adjusting the tolerance as I move my mouse to the left or right. This allows us to paint an area based on the color tolerance. If we change this option to paint not connected and do the same thing, we'll see now we're filling the colors which are similar to where we've clicked anywhere on the page. In this case we have 4 areas which have a similar color. We also can use the erase connected. So in this case we're on a layer, we'll be erasing the painted area based on the same tolerance of where we click. So you can see as we click, right click and drag, we're erasing color from our page, and you can see the background, the transparent background shown through. And the same applies for erase non-connected, like I was showing before. The colors don't need to be connected in that case. There's also a repeat mode. And what that is compared to the adjust mode is now when you right click, let's set the tolerance up so we can see the effect. Now when you right click, each time you move the mouse, it's going to be recalculating the area to change. It's not adjusting from the beginning, it's resampling where the mouse position is and then calculating the area to erase or the area to paint. In this case I was using the erase and non-connected, so we had this effect. Also, there's a couple of options for impacting the alpha area of a layer. To show you how that works, let's first go and erase some areas. And so we can get a better idea what this is going to do, I'm going to apply a Gaussian blur to this layer as well. So we're basically smoothing out the areas between what's alpha and the painted area. Click and apply. Now I'm going to select the paint alpha connected with the adjust mode. And now when we click in the alpha area, or the transparent area, which is the same as alpha, we'll see now we're not basing it on color, but we're basing it on the alpha values. Undo that. And that also has a paint alpha not connected. So again, as you would expect, it's looking at the alpha values across the whole layer.